Hello. In this video, we will introduce SAP Build Code, a solution with generative AI with code generation optimized for Java and JavaScript to supercharge developer productivity and boost Fusion development. With SAP Build Code, developers can create UI, mobile, and full-stack applications. The following example is for a customer loyalty app in a retail environment using SAP Build Code to create the backend for the app that can then be used by a business expert or citizen developer at the front end to drive Fusion development. Let's get started. The SAP Build Lobby is the starting point to create a backend application in SAP Build Code. The service that is created in this example is for when a customer checks out. It will add points to the customer's account based on the purchase amount. SAP Build guides you through the creation process. Here you can design an app, a process, or a business site. A developer has the flexibility to design an application using low-code build apps or using a pro-code approach. With SAP Build Code, the developer is provided with design time and runtime services to create a full-stack application. Next, after providing the project a name and selecting the Build Code dev space, all the necessary components are made available to start the development. Then, the project is created as a Build Code full-stack application. Additional members can be assigned for access to begin collaboration. In the SAP Build Code development environment, the data model and services are automatically generated as a framework for the backend application to accelerate the development process. There is built-in best practices and developer guidance tailored for SAP development. For seamless integration to consume processes and events, use the Service Center to connect to SAP Systems, SAP Business Accelerator Hub, API Business Hub, and Unified Customer Landscapes. Use Generative AI in SAP Build Code to enhance the experience in generating the data models, the service entities, sample data, and UI annotations to speed up application development. Provide prompts to the Generative AI assistant for generating the application. As an example, enter a prompt to generate an app for the customer loyalty program and describe what we would like for the purchases and the customer. A consideration is then presented based on what was provided for the model. The generated data model is shown with two entities for customer and purchase. This is the first step in the automated process, which includes generating the service entities, the OData API, sample data, and UI annotations, which would have otherwise been hand-coded. If everything looks good, accept it and get going. If something is not correct, fine-tune the prompt, or leave the prompt as is and an alternate proposal will be attempted. The data models and services are available with the correct associations and properties. Sample data and the UI annotations have been generated at this point, and a preview is available. Not shown here, but in SAP Build Code use generative AI code gen capabilities, application logic, and unit tests. Once completed, the backend can be deployed so that the professional developer can expose it to low-code developers for consumption, for example, in SAP Build Apps. In the SAP Build Apps UI canvas, the example Cash Sales app has the logic of: when a user selects a button, a service published by Build Code is used to create the purchase record and get the updated information back from the purchase record. In this SAP Build Code video, we showed how you can expedite development with the use of generative AI, implement SAP best practices, provide seamless integration, and get better development between citizen developers and professional developers. To learn more about how you can start development with SAP Build Code, please go to sap.com/build-code.